This piece of research is what we call a systematic review. It's a review of all the literature in a certain area. So we wanted to find out what were the effects of owning pets on childhood development in areas such as their emotional development, cognitive development, different types of behavioural development and education levels.
We found that in the majority of pet types, the findings do look very promising in terms of self-esteem and loneliness. However, there isn't enough evidence on emotional health outcomes, and so the evidence was mixed. So we're not entirely sure whether pets do have a positive effect on outcomes such as depression and anxiety. And we again find this for measures such as behavioural and social. So the main limitation we found from the systematic review was that the majority of these were cross-sectional, so we can't infer a direction of association as the findings were only taken at one single time point. Additionally, lots of the studies did not account for confounding factors, so other variables that are important when looking at pet ownership and developmental outcomes.
So this study is a really important starting point for the field in order to understand where we are with the research evidence and where we need to go, and what sort of quality studies need to be done in the future, which we will be progressing with our research.
So to address the methodological limitations we found, I'm going to be using a birth cohort study called ALSPAC. It's the Avon longitudinal study of parents and children. So the advantage of using a birth cohort study means that we can follow up longitudinally the effects that we may find. So it's based at the University of Bristol, and it's at baseline 14,000 children have been followed up over 2 decades, and we have information on pet type and a range of developmental and psychological variables, so we can look at the associations between both longitudinally.